What's going on YouTube? Just got some of this heat transfer vinyl to try out, so going to give that a crack now, just to see how it goes. Just going to do it with an iron. Don't have a heat press, so just want to see really how it turns out. I might have to trim that back a bit actually. Oh, I beat my scissors at no bin. Where are my scissors? Over there. So yeah, just keen to try it out to see what it's like, and see if we can do it with the iron. Also want to try making a screen with this kind of vinyl too, as an alternative to emulsion. I've done it with decal vinyl, but not with this. So yeah, and I'm just, like I said, I'm just going to iron this on. Feels a bit thinner than regular decal vinyl, but yeah, I think you'll have to invert it too, because I think you'll place it facing down on the t-shirt, and it kind of looks the same on both sides, but I guess that's just the backing. Where's my X-Acto knife? So yeah, I'll just load that design on and then cut out my designs. Might do a couple of designs. You will have to invert it, I think I said that, but you'll have to invert it if it's text, I think, because we're going to place it facing down, and then iron it on. This one says 150 to 160 degrees Celsius for, I think they said 8 seconds. I guess if you start to peel it up and you can tell it hasn't really stuck, you can do some more though. And it's a hot peel. You want to check, obviously, before you do it with your like it should say wherever you bought it from, like how long you have to do it for or whatever. I'm just doing like little clip art pictures, so it doesn't matter so much about inverting it, because it'll look good either way. It won't look, with like text. It needs to be going the right way, otherwise it's just not going to look, it's not going to read right. And it actually asked me if I want to mirror it. It says heat transfer designs often need to be mirrored. Do you wish to send the design mirrored or send it as it is? Send as is, because it's not text. But that's quite handy, because I know you probably waste a lot of vinyl if that didn't come up, because you often forget those things, especially when you're always doing decals and stuff. Yeah. I think I did the right side, because yeah. So just going to cut them into, it's really hard to see on this white vinyl. Cut it into the parts, and then weed the vinyl. Should have really checked. I don't know how to check. I should have weeded it first actually, just in case. I need to, I did the wrong side. Which it kind of looks like I might have. Right, so I got that weeded alright. The first time I did it on the wrong side, as I suspected, so had to redo that. And yeah, that weirded alright. It was actually on the other side, the less shiny side was the correct side, so yeah. So next I guess we'll just go out and try and transfer this to find a black t-shirt somewhere, and well, not necessarily black, but just a t-shirt, and then try and transfer it with the iron. So yeah, just got the iron cranking, warming up. Got a laser thermometer too, so I can test the temperature. It's got a gauge on here. But yeah, so I've also placed my vinyl transfer, heat transfer vinyl, whatever, facing down with the vinyl down there. I've got a piece of baking paper just to place on top, just so the iron's not touching it directly. This thing seems to heat up pretty quickly. Probably could, I think you can get like tape, heat resistant tape, so like tape it in place, just to make sure it doesn't move or anything. But it seems like this is just an experiment. Yeah, I think it will be alright. And it's about 150 now, so chuck that on. Put on a fair bit of pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully it's covered. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is a mess. That just melted it. Transferred, but hell of a mess. Maybe that it's too hot. Go and get another piece and try it with a towel or something, and I will just cut a design out myself. So yeah, this time I just got a white sheet that I'm going to put down, and hopefully it protects it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That might have been better. There we go. That worked. It's pretty neat. So the other time it just was too hot for it. Baking paper obviously didn't protect it enough. That worked out all good. So I'm going to finish this video here, but I'm going to do a wash test in the next day or two. Just to test out the quality. You can already see a bubble, so be interesting to see how it pans out. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll catch you guys later.